As a solopreneur, are you juggling multiple roles? The crucial role that often gets overlooked is managing your budget. But in 2026, artificial intelligence has transformed financial management for solopreneurs. You no longer need a finance degree or an expensive accountant to manage your finances effectively. This guide will break down how to establish an AI-powered budget step by step with practical tools and real-world success stories. Whether you're a freelancer, consultant, or content creator, this will serve as your financial blueprint. Did you know that 57% of solopreneurs don't maintain a formal budget? Using AI finance tools can make you 3.4 times more likely to achieve your revenue goals. On average, automating your finances can lead to savings of around $8,400 annually. First, understand your financial baseline. This is essential. Many solopreneurs assume they know their financial situation, but this can lead to significant gaps. Your financial baseline should include monthly revenue averages, fixed and variable costs, tax reserves, and profit margins. Use the 50-30-20 rule adapted for solopreneurs to allocate 50% for operations, 30% for growth, and 20% for savings. Next, leverage the AI advantage. While human perception can struggle with financial patterns, AI excels in recognizing them. Inputting 12 months of transactions allows AI to help you spot payment trends, expense spikes, and cash flow issues ahead of time. Choosing the right AI tools is crucial. Start with tools like Wave for invoicing, QuickBooks for general management, and AI assistants like Claude or ChatGPT for analysis. Be cautious not to overcomplicate your budgeting process. Start with just one accounting tool and one AI assistant for effective management. Now, let's build your AI budgeting system in 7 simple steps. Begin with an audit of the last 90 days of transactions. Connect your bank to an AI tool. Upload your CSV. Set income targets. Build budget categories. Set automated overspend alerts. And conduct monthly reviews using AI insights. To ensure your AI budget system runs smoothly, incorporate a regular rhythm. Spend 10 minutes weekly reviewing your dashboard, 30 minutes monthly analyzing your data, and a longer quarterly review for tax and revenue recalibration. Lastly, consider Sarah Chen, a UX consultant who transformed her income from $3,200 to $8,700 a month by implementing an AI budget system. She identified unnecessary expenses and proactively adjusted her pricing strategy, showing how clear financial insights can drive significant growth. In conclusion, your finances deserve smarter tools. An AI-powered budget gives you a competitive edge over others still struggling with traditional methods. The solopreneurs thriving in 2026 are those who leverage technology for a clearer financial overview. This week, take action. Schedule a monthly CFO meeting, sign up for Wave, export your transactions, analyze them with Claude, and set budget categories and income targets for the upcoming month. Embrace AI to elevate your financial management and watch your business thrive.